My name is Dr. Thabo Semong. As indicated on this book, I'm the author of this book, and this book is Internet Traffic Cops: How to Manage Network Traffic. As we might all be aware, we are all connected to the internet these days. So in this course, I'm teaching the student as to what is the internet, what are the components that constitute an internet, how do you connect those different components together, and what do you need for you to connect to the internet. So basically, this course is all about networking, and I'm introducing it to the student at primary school and junior schools. And this is a summary of, or a subset of my research, which is basically on computer networks. So I've summarized it and tried to make it something that young kids can understand and will be able to do or to follow in future as they come to the university. So one thing that I've liked about the kids when I was teaching them this course is that they really enjoyed it. They really understood many things, only that they have been using the internet, they have been connecting to the network, but without really having an understanding of what is the technology behind all these computers that they are connecting to the internet. So it was a very good way of trying to elaborate more on what they already know. So what I've experienced with this course is that many students or many kids really need it because they are using this technology, but they really don't understand what is internet, what do you need to connect to the internet, what do you need to do when you are on the internet, issues of security, issues of if the network is too slow, how do you manage the network? So all those issues we're dealing with. And it is a very nice course, especially for young people in this generation. I will encourage most young people to enroll with BW Scholars so that we can help them to learn about the internet traffic and how do you manage it.